Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app and select Allow in the pop-up if you never used it before. Then click on this microphone at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To delete it right away, click on the left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to end it and save it, hit the right one. Then name your recording however you want to and select OK. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it instead, you need to hold it. Select this bin at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!